halfway on. Just going to confirm that it's on. See, we got a court reporter and we got a DA. And which attorney do we have? It's Miss Acosta, I think it is. Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, Your Honor.
Great. All right. Court call State of Texas versus Jesus Torres III. This is cause number 2025 CC 003316. We're here today for a plea. We're conducting the hearing using the Zoom application. We also are live streaming the proceedings so that it is open to the public. My name is Judge Jefferson Moore. I'm sitting by assignment in County Court at Law number 15 for Bexar County, Texas, and specifically in the jail court. And if we could have the attorneys make appearances, starting with the state of Texas, please.
Sabrina Urso for the state.
Irene Acosta for the defense.
Sir, are you the same Jesus Torres III who's charged by information with criminal trespass? Is that you, sir? Let's see, we got the mic turned off for his computer. Let's see if we can get that fixed.
They're going, Judge. They're going to.
Judge, hear me?
Yes, now we can hear you. So much appreciate. I'll ask the defendant the question again. Sir, are you the same Jesus Torres III who is charged by information with the offense of criminal trespass? Is that you, sir?
Yes.
I'm going to use a function.
Yeah, that's me.
What was that, sir?
Yeah, that's me.
Okay, great. I'm going to use a function of Zoom. It's called share screen. I'm going to show you some documents. The first one is called the defendant's consent to plea by video conference. And I'm using my cursor to circle around electronic signature. Is this yours?
Yeah.
By signing this, you're telling me two things. One is that you understand we normally do pleas live in an open court, but you're consenting to do this plea by video conference. Did you understand that when you signed this?
Yes. Yeah.
And then secondly, your electronic signature here, as well as all of the electronic signatures in the plea packet in front of me, you're telling me that those are valid as if they were personally signed. Did you understand that when you signed this?
Yes.
I approve the consent and I make it a part of the record. So I'm scrolling down to a second document. It's called the Court's Admonishments, and it is 2 pages long. And on page 2, I'm using my cursor to circle around electronic signature. Is this yours?
Yes.
Did you and your attorney go over this form together?
Yes.
I'm going to get out of share screen. By signing the Court's admonishments, you are telling me that you understand the Court's admonishments and that you understand the rights that are contained within it. Is that true?
Yes.
And that you're going to give up those rights. Is that true?
Yes.
The right you're going to give up is you have the right to a trial by jury. You have a right to confront the witnesses against you. You also have the right to remain silent, which includes the right not to incriminate yourself and not plead today. Did you understand that before you sign this?
Yes.
By signing this, you're also telling me you understand the consequences of a plea and the sentencing range for the offense, which is anywhere up to a $2,000 fine and up to 180 days in the Bexar County Jail. Did you understand that before you sign this?
Yes.
I approve the waivers that are contained within the Court's admonishments. I make them a part of the record. State, can you relate to me the agreement you have with the defense?
Yes, Your Honor. The agreement is for a $0 fine, court costs, $24 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent, and we ask that this judgment be satisfied.
Counsel, is that your understanding of the agreement?
Yes, it is.
And then, Mr. Torres, is that your understanding of the agreement as well?
Yes.
And sir, I'm not bound by the plea bargain. I don't have to follow it. Do you understand that?
Yes.
But if I do follow the plea bargain, then you lose your right to appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes.
That's true unless I grant you permission to appeal or unless certain motions were filed and ruled upon. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Counsel, any such rulings in this case?
No.
If I do not follow the plea bargain, I'll allow you to withdraw the plea. We'll proceed to trials if this hearing never occurred. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Did you understand the question, sir?
Yes.
Okay. And so again, if I don't follow the plea bargain, I'll allow you to withdraw the plea and we'll proceed to trials if this hearing never occurred. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes.
If not, then a plea of guilty or no contest to the offense could have serious adverse effects on your immigration status. Counsel, do you believe that your client has a factual, rational understanding of the charge pending against him?
Yes.
Do you believe he's been able to assist you in the defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's mentally competent to waive rights and enter a plea here today?
Yes, Your Honor.
Sir, to the offense that's listed on your information, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
Do you understand? You can still be found guilty under a no contest plea.
Yeah.
I couldn't hear you.
Yeah.
Other than the plea bargain, did anyone promise you anything in exchange for your plea today?
Uh,
Well,
no,
you have a plea bargain, correct? And it's for 24 days, right?
yeah.
Did anyone tell you, hey, in addition to that, we're also going to promise you whatever in order to get you to plead? Did that happen? Did anyone do that?
Yeah.
I couldn't hear your answer, sorry.
Yeah.
Someone did offer you something beyond your plea bargain?
Francisco.
Yeah, let me turn off a microphone for somebody else. There we go. All right, so let's try this again, sir. Sorry, I know it's a little bit loud and a little difficult sometimes to do this over the computer, but again, I'll start off. You have a plea bargain, is that right? Sir, can you answer my questions, please? Mr. Torres, do you want to proceed with this or you want to do something different?
I'll proceed with it. I'd like to proceed.
Okay, so my question again for you is, again, to tell you that you have a plea bargain, is that correct?
Yes.
It's for 24 days, right?
Yeah. Yes.
Did anyone promise you anything over and beyond 24 days to get you to plead today?
No, that ain't possible.
Okay. Did anyone force you or coerce you to plead today?
No.
After going over this case with your attorney, do you believe that pleading here today is in your best interest?
Yes.
I find the plea is freely, intelligently, and voluntarily made, that he's mentally competent to enter into such a plea, and I find him guilty. Counsel, is there any legal reason as to why your client cannot be sentenced today?
No, Your Honor.
There being no legal reason, in accordance with the agreement with the state, sir, I sent you to 24 days in the Bexar County Jail. I'll give you credit for time served. There's a $0 fine in court costs. Time and money will run concurrent, and this is judgment satisfied. Sir, there's a plea bargain case. I followed the plea bargain, so you do not have the court's permission to appeal. You do not have the right to appeal. I'm making a certification of this for the record, and we'll provide a copy of the certification to your attorney to provide to you. And for the attorneys, is there anything else from either side?
Thing from the state, Your Honor.
Nothing from the defense, Your Honor.
The matter's concluded. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Judge. May I be excused?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Have we met before, Miss?
We
Yeah,
have,
but-
Judge.
Okay. All right. Well, nice to see you again then.
Nice to see you again. And if you don't mind, Mr. Torres, you should be released sometime today if nothing else is holding you, sir. You can go back.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you, Judge.
Your Honor, if I may tell Terry something.
Yeah, who is,
It said Catmar,